Hi. First of all, thanks to CNN News 18 for this opportunity. This is my first time in the English debate panel. With all due respect to all the panelists, I would like to just clarify with one thought that the topic or the debate is not about the universality, right? It is totally about what. See, we are not saying that Lord Muruga cannot be worshipped worldwide. It is about the origin, right? It is about the ownership of the origin. That is the subject of debate here. So it is a continuous attempt that the history has been taken away, especially the Tamil's history, the ancient Tamil script or the ancient Tamils. We believed in the landscapes, the five landscapes, the distinct ecoregions, right? So we believe that Lord Muruga is from the Kurunji Nilam, that is the mountains. So you cannot portray the ancient Murugan Tamil god as one from the north, was born in north. So that was the statement that was made by, I think, one of the producers
Yes.
of this
Yes.
movie. Yeah, so that is what is condemned actually. You cannot and also I think the movie's the first look or something. I think there was this whale. I think the I don't know what is it in English. The spear, yeah. So that and the DNA form. So they're trying to portray that Lord Murugan is from North, was born in North. That was a statement made. Yes, you can please tell me, Mr. Dushan. And you were continuously telling that it was restricted as a deity. Lord Muruga was restricted as a deity. No, no. How you see Murugan, the version of Murugan is not the same as we see, right? We see as
Okay.
as an ancestor, as an ancestor.
A quick one. A quick one.
முருகா விற்றாதரா விற்றோதரா வேலோடு வா நான் தமிழோடு வாரேன் விளையாடி பார்ப்போம்